Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Friday, February 21st. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a person that can spell words very well. And number 2 is better than. It means like more good. Please listen and write this in your notebook. My mom is a good speller. My mom is a good speller. Speller. She can spell words very well. What about you? Are you a good speller? Now we can make a card for speller. Please write speller up here in the top left corner. S-P-E-L-L-E-R. Down here the category PEO 1. This means people, level 1. Over here the number 63 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it by yourself? Very good. Spell. Speller. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. This pizza is better than that pizza. This pizza is better than that pizza. Better than. It means more good, but we don't say more good in English. We say better than. And we also say Jennifer sings better than Bob. We use it for adjectives, good, better, the best. And we use it for adverbs, well, better, the best. Now let's make a card. Please make a card like this. Write better up here in the top left corner. The basic forms we have 2. Be better than something or somebody, and to do something better than something or someone. Down here, the category GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. Over here, the number 28 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you do it? Very good. Better. Better. Game over. It is time to go. Please repeat. I am a good speller. Very good. And number 2, better than. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a very small river. The missing letter is an R. Number 2 means it has red, blue, orange, pink. Colorful, very nice. And number 3 is from America, measuring. 3 feet equals 1 yard. We say yard very much in American football. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.